During ejaculation, a mature, healthy man expels up to 500 million sperm inside a woman's vagina, and the incredible journey begins. Each sperm carries a precious cargo, the father's genetic code. A man's testes are constantly at work, churning out over 1,000 sperm every second. The quality of these sperm is affected by the man's lifestyle. He will make stronger, healthier sperm if he avoids smoking, excessive alcohol, hot baths, and tight underwear. Coffee, on the other hand, has been shown to stimulate sperm to swim further, faster, and harder. It's a slow journey for the sperm, the smallest cell in the human body. They travel at just 3 millimeters a minute, and there are hurdles at every turn. From the vagina, they pass through the cervix, up into the uterus, and on into the fallopian tube, where the woman's egg, the largest cell in the body, is waiting. Each month, a woman's ovaries release one egg, containing her own genetic code. She made these eggs while she was still a fetus herself, nestled inside her own mother's womb. They've been kept in storage ever since, through childhood and adolescence, and into adulthood, ready to burst into life. How the sperm find their way to the egg is something of a mystery. Recent research indicates that sperm have a sense of smell and could sniff their way to the egg. The journey is so long and arduous for the sperm that only a handful will survive. It may take up to 10 hours before the actual moment of conception. The first sperm to reach the egg are the strongest and fittest. The first one to burrow its head through the egg's surface will be the winner. There are no prizes for coming second. The instant one sperm enters the egg, it triggers a change in the egg's membrane, which makes it impossible for any other sperm to get through. Once inside the egg, the head of the sperm, now detached from its tail, is drawn towards the nucleus of the egg. At this moment, the two nuclei fuse. The egg is now fertilized. This is the first cell of what will become a new human life. The genetic code is stored in these bundles called chromosomes, 23 from the mother and 23 from the father. Each chromosome is made of a supercoiled strand of DNA, the molecule shaped like a double helix that carries our genetic code. Each microscopic chromosome contains over 2 meters of DNA. A pattern of chemical codes create this twisting ribbon of DNA and hold the key to our uniqueness, our genes. It takes between 20 and 25,000 genes to make a human, roughly the same number as a chicken. Each of us has a complete set from each of our parents, deep in the nucleus of every cell in the body. Our genes are a set of instructions that tell us to become a human rather than a fish or a tree, as well as deciding exactly what kind of person we'll be. Each gene, or combination of genes, has a specific trait. How many legs we'll grow, the colour of our skin, that we'll have arms instead of wings, no tail, a big nose.